If you are a video or a YouTube creator and you are looking for great music for your projects, this video is for you. As today, I would like to show you AI-powered music library for video creators called Audio. I will dive into what Audio has to offer, including their new pro feature, Link Match AI, that can help you search for the music way quicker. I hope this video will be helpful. Let's start. The Audio website is very simply designed. Music on the right and the filter criteria on the left. You can search for the music depending on the mood, genre, or instrument. I think this is pretty straightforward. If you've been using other music libraries, you'll be familiar with it. Then you can choose from some curated playlists, like rock, cinematic, or love songs, which is also pretty standard. And then you can add your chosen song to your favorites, or you can create your own playlists. Now let's move to the Sound Effects tab. And here we can also choose from cinematic sound effects collections or other categories like water, weather, or whoosh sounds. And we can obviously search for the sound effects manually. So let me search for the whistle, for example. And then here we have quite a lot of the whistle sounds to choose from. And before we move on to pricing, I really want to show you the most exciting feature that Audio has, that's called Link Match AI. And the idea behind this feature is that it allows you to take your favorite mainstream music and search for a similar track in the Audio library. So you can just paste in here a link from YouTube, Spotify, or TikTok, and then the AI will do its work trying to find a matching track. So let's try how it works. I will use Hans Zimmer's track called Time. I will just grab a link from YouTube and I will paste it here. And it has given us a few results, so let's listen to the original song. And now let's check the audio track. Well, not bad. I have to say, I find this feature very cool. Then the download process is also very easy. So I'll just click this button over here and then I can choose my project type. So I normally pick advertisement. Then we can pick distribution. So in my case, it's usually social media. And then you can also download your license as PDF, which is very handy. So you can keep the license on your computer in case you need it in the future. And now let's move to pricing. So you can choose between 3 different subscriptions. The creator subscription is billed monthly and it gives you an access to the music and sound effects library, but it doesn't give you an access to the AI-powered link match feature, and you can use this music only for your personal projects. Then we have a pro subscription that I am recommending you to choose, as when you pick this one and when you use my affiliate link and my promo code Kasia70, you will get a 70% discount for the whole year. That is even more than their regular 50% discount. So you will only pay $59.70 for the whole year. And this is the best subscription as it gives you an access to the music and sound effects library. It allows you to use the music in the personal and commercial projects. And it also gives you an access to the AI-powered link match feature that I have just shown you. And there's also a lifetime subscription. So if you pay once, you can use the audio music library forever. But this subscription gives an access only to the music library, so no sound effects and no link match AI feature. Overall, I think that Audio offers great quality, the music is diverse, and the pricing is very affordable comparing to other websites out there. And I would really recommend you to go to the Audio website and check it out on your own. I hope you like this video.